Today, the most valuable commodity on Earth isn't oil, and it isn't gold. It's a tiny, complex piece of silicon, no larger than a postage stamp. These are NVIDIA's high-end graphics processing units, or GPUs. They are the roaring engines behind the artificial intelligence revolution. Because of the absolute explosion in AI demand, these chips are scarcer than diamonds. Tech giants, nation-states, and shadow organizations will do absolutely anything to lay their hands on them. But where there is an unquenchable thirst for an asset, there is always a shadow world waiting to exploit it. Welcome to Blackboard Billionaires. Today, we expose the dark underbelly of the modern AI gold rush. A story that begins with a desperate technological shortage and ends with a $55 million mansion, a massive web of fake corporate identities, and a daring plot to steal the world's most coveted hardware. To understand this heist, we must understand how the modern internet is built. AI lives in physical, massive servers. Companies like Dell, Supermicrocomputer, and Asus are the ultimate gatekeepers. They assemble the high-tech server racks, but in late 2023, the global supply chain was choked. Getting your hands on these servers could take months, sometimes years. If you could acquire these systems directly from Dell or Asus, you weren't just buying hardware, you were holding the keys to a gold mine. Enter Alan Wei Jiaolin, a 50-year-old tech executive in Singapore who served as the chief executive of local tech companies. Along with his co-conspirators, Aaron Woon Guo-jai and Jenny Lim, Alan orchestrated a highly complex conspiracy. They used fake corporate accounts and forged supply agreements to trick global giants into delivering multi-million-dollar servers. The scheme was a staggering success. Alan Wei's network managed to pocket over $38 million in ill-gotten gains. Alan Wei decided to park his wealth in Singaporean ultra-luxury real estate, a good-class bungalow on Chee Hoon Avenue. But in July 2026, the Commercial Affairs Department struck. Alan Wei Jiaolin was arrested and handed 11 charges of fraud. The ultimate weapon they used to wash this money wasn't complex crypto, but a cute plastic toy bear. This is a bear brick, a simple plastic designer toy highly coveted by hypebeasts and collectors worldwide. Normally, it sits quietly on a shelf. But in 2023, these innocent plastic bears became the center of a massive money laundering scandal, a scandal that involved over 3 billion Singapore dollars. How does a plastic toy help wash billions of dollars in dirty cash? And how did a network of foreign syndicates turn the world's safest financial haven into their personal playground? Welcome back to Blackboard Billionaires. In this finale, we pull back the curtain on the Singapore laundering scandal and the mechanics of how illicit empires hide their wealth. On August 15, 2023, the Singapore police force unleashed a coordinated blitz that sent shockwaves through the global financial community. Over 400 police officers raided ultra-luxury condominiums and landed estates across the island. The results were staggering. 10 foreign nationals were arrested. The police seized an absurd hoard of wealth, including luxury properties, sports cars, and millions in physical cash. The billion-dollar fortune was built on illegal remote gambling operations based in the Philippines, linked to high-profile political scandals. Getting billions into Singapore's banking system required a bridge. That bridge was built by ghost corporate secretarial agents filing fabricated tax information. In early 2026, Interpol launched Operation First Light, a massive, multinational crackdown spanning 97 jurisdictions to intercept illicit assets. The message was clear. The financial net was closing. Even the most sophisticated shadow empires can be erased with a single sweep. Thank you for watching Blackboard Billionaires. Hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next story.